Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a perfect circle in GIMP. If you want to do it, first we need to create a new project. So I go to File and then I go to New. Then on Width and Height I type these dimensions and I click OK. And now our background has been successfully created here. So we need to go to second option from Tool. We need to click right mouse button here and then we need to select Ellipse Select. I click it and now I will be able to create a new ellipse. So for example, I will create something like that, and then we need to type size to the same dimensions. So for example, I type here 200, and here I will change the dimensions to 200. Then I click enter, and we need to check this box fixed aspect ratio. It enables lock of aspect ratio, width, height or size. It is very important if you want to create a perfect circle. So now we can easily change dimensions of the circle and it will be always perfect. We can always change the color of the circle. We need to open Bucket Fill tool and then we can change the color by clicking here. For example, I will change color to red and then I click OK. Now I click on the circle and how you see our circle is ready to use. So it's all for today. If I helped you to create a perfect circle in GIMP, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. And if it was useful for you, remember to buy me coffee from link in description.